Hello, my name is Swami Srikantappa. I'm part of the Alert team. Welcome to our presentation on the health monitoring platform. Let me tell you about the big problem that we identified. There is a premature death in older adults. Why is this? So we identified three reasons. First is the elderly healthcare system by itself is pretty expensive. Second, human-induced errors could also lead to premature death. And the final reason is home healthcare is laborious, causing a toll on the caregiver, including physical toll as well as an emotional toll. Now here is our solution. So our solution consists of three domains. The first domain is we have the sensor gateway. It's on a mobile application running on the iPhone, the iPad or the Android phones. The gateway gathers the vital signs from the various sensors, which are off-the-shelf sensors made from different manufacturers, aggregating the vital signs, sending it to our proprietary Alert engine, which monitors the vital signs and applies the user's preset thresholds to the vital sign and notifies the intended recipients. And finally, the Alert engine that we have plugs into the public health record systems such as the Google Health Vault or Microsoft Health Vault. Here's a demo of the health monitoring platform. I'm wearing a heart rate sensor and I'm pretending I'm a patient, and he's going to be the caregiver who's going to care for me. And this is a mobile gateway application running on the Android Nexus 1 phone. And I'm going to add a heart rate reading because this is a heart rate sensor. So from the vital signs, I select the heart rate and then I say add reading. And once add reading is selected, we have the option to scan for heart rate sensor. I go ahead and scan the sensors. And then basically I can select the heart rate sensor. And once the selection is done, I could basically say add the reading. So, and it asks for confirmation saying that do you want to really add? And I say okay. And once the reading is added, the reading is sent to the Alert server in the backend, and we have set a very low threshold where the caregiver gets the phone call.
I get a phone call because the reading has exceeded a certain limit. So what just happened is that the reading was taken either by the heart rate sensor or you have input a reading manually, and when that happens and the threshold is crossed in this sense, then I, who is the caregiver for this patient, gets a phone call. And we are alerted through this phone. The phone actually tells me what is the reading right now, and I know now that my patient is crossed a certain threshold and I need to react to it. It also tells me the name of the patient, so I know exactly who I'm caring for and who this call was for.
So not only can I send a notification to the caregiver on a phone, I could set it up such that it could send an SMS message, an email, or it could be even through any other medium like Facebook or Twitter. Given the market potential that we identified, the product strategy and the team synergy and the funding that we're looking to scale the business, we definitely see success. Thank you.